Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about while loop with break statement. Break is a keyword used to skip the certain part of a statement in a loop. So if you want to skip the particular part of your given condition. Okay, if suppose if you are using with a nested loop, it will skip only from an inner loop. It will continue from the outer loop. For example, have a while of I less than or equal to 10, print of I. Okay, so before printing of I statement, we are checking with the if condition. If I is equal to 6, we need to break the execution. So we didn't give the increment so that we are getting this infinite loop. So we have to restart again. So kernel is getting ready. Now it executes. So till it reaches 5, it will execute. So once it reaches 6, it will execute. So it will stop the entire execution. So that is the break statement. So it won't continue for the next statement. So that is the purpose of using break statement. Next, we are going to discuss with a continue statement. So what is the purpose of using continue statement? If suppose we want to skip the current iteration alone and we want to continue the remaining statement, in that case, we can go for a continue statement. So continue is also a keyword in the Python. For example, so instead of break, if I put continue, so till 5, it's printing the value. So 6, it is not continue the remaining value. So what we have to do, if we put this increment before this if condition, so it will begin with I value from 2 and when it reaches 6, it will skip the 6 alone and continue from 7, 8, 9. Okay, see, so after 5, print the value of 7, 8, 9, 10. So till reaches 11, it will print the value keep on. We'll see what is else with the while loop. So the else is a keyword used with the while loop as well. So when the else part will be executed. So Python allows us to use the else statement in while loop. So we can use the else also in the while. So once it is executing all the condition with the while statement, after that it will go for the else block. For example, so we have a value k is equal to 2 while of k less than or equal to 10, print hello k plus equal to 2. 10 is the value by 20. Okay. And else print good morning. So once it reaches end of a statement, it will print the else part. So that is the purpose of using else statement. If suppose if you are using break statement in between of else, it won't execute the else part. So here if I use break statement, if k is equal to 14, break mean it won't execute the else part. So that is the use of else part. In next video, we will discuss what is prime number. Thank you guys.